Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Yahya and Dr. Irwan. I hope you're doing fine today. I am Siti Kalimah binti Ahmad Nasri, metric number 145613. Would like to present my final project for PGT 201E, Instructional Technology Practices. So, the learning lesson modules, which is content of my modules, is firstly induction, which is there are game-based learning. Activity 1, discussion session. Activity 2, online learning resources, and Activity 3, interactive online quiz. So the learning details of this module is focusing on subject physics, class 4 Kacak, time taken 45 minutes, chapter force and motion 1, topic free fall motion. So the learning objective for this module to understand the concept of free fall motion in many situations and places. Secondly, to make sure learners are enjoying the class, in the same time be able to apply all the concept of free fall motion. So the learning outcomes of this module, learner be able to identify the gravitational acceleration between the Earth and other planets. Secondly, learner can recognize different of falling objects in the air and in the vacuum. Third, learner can determine the value of gravitational acceleration, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So the technologies will be used this software, Google Chrome and Cisco WebEx meetings, learning tools, smartphone, laptop or tab, or can be any device suitable to the learners to join the class. So first section is induction, which is containing game-based learning. So application that will be used for this section is props. Element that will be touched is analysis, and the duration or time taken to be complete this section is 5 minutes. Activity, learner required to log in into Cisco WebEx meetings. For virtual class, instructor will brief the learning objective and outcome. Learner will play a game related to the topic. Purposes for this section is to determine basic knowledge of free fall motion in learner's side of understanding and to give initial overview about the topic to the learner. Step of activity, firstly, they need to browse search engines such as Google and so on. Secondly, type link given by the instructor. Next, free fall motion jigsaw will appear on learner screens. Fourth, learner need to arrange puzzle in right arrangement. Fifth, learner are advised to complete task in 3 minutes. Sixth, learner needs to understand the picture of the puzzle. 7. Learner will get scores and certificate after completing puzzle. 8. Done, and learner need to ready for the next task. So this is the things that will appear on learner screens when they click or type the link given by the instructor. So they need to arrange the puzzle, the jigsaw puzzle in the right arrangement and try to understand the picture. So this is the certificate and scores will appear after they answer or after they join the game, play the game. So the next section is activity 1, which is discussion session. The application for this section is Padlet. Duration or time taken is 10 minutes. Element that will be touched is design. So activity, learner will discuss knowledge or information they get from the game before. Purposes of this section is to view learner knowledge after playing games, to determine learner experience when playing games, to build discussion session with the learners, and to construct query about the topics to the learner. Step of activity, as usual, these two, browse search engine, type link given by the instructor. Next, they need to click pink button at the bottom of their screens. Later, I will show. Learner will share their feedback and initial thoughts. Learners are also encouraged to discuss with classmates, done and ready for the next task. So this is the things that will appear when they click or type the link given by the instructor. So what they need to do is click this pink button. So this something like this will appear, and they need to type their comment or feedback about the game before and discuss with the classmates about the topic that they will be learned, which is free fall motion. So the next section is activity 2, which is online learning resources, which is the activity containing is learning and teaching session, which is using various learning resources to help students understand the topic very well. Purposes of this section is to help learners understand concept of free fall motion by using video and diagram to tell and teach learner in detail about free fall motion. So task 1, in this section they are divided to 2 tasks. which is task 1 and task 2. For this task 1, application that will be used is website. Duration or time taken to complete this section or this task is 10 minutes. Element that will be touched is development and implementation. So step of activity, first of all, they need to browse search engines such as Google, type link or click the link given by the instructor. Next, they need to have a quick read about and understand the content. Next, done and ready for the next task. So this is the things that will appear when they click the link given by the instructor. They need to have a quick read and understand the whole content of this website, jot down the information, useful information, and so on. So the task 2 for this section is will be using application YouTube. Duration for this section or this task is 10 minutes. Step of activity, first of all, as usual, they need to browse search engine, type link given by the instructor, press play button, watch and understand the video since this is YouTube. Absolutely will be video. Next, write down useful information and formula from the video, done and ready for the next task. So this is the things or video that will be appear when they click or type the link in the search column. So first of all, they need to click the play button, watch the video, jot down the information and formula, and understand the video very well. So the next task is, or the next section is activity 3, which is the last section containing interactive online quiz. So application that will be used for this section is Quizmaker. Element that will be touched is evaluation. Duration or time taken for this last section is 10 minutes. So activity in this section is learner will answer several question types provided, which is multiple choice question and short text question related to the topic. Purposes of this section is to evaluate learners' understanding about the topics and to make sure learners are benefit and getting input from the class. So step of activity, first of all, as usual, they need to browse search engines such as Google. Next, type or click the link given by the instructor. Next, enter name and class in space provided. Fourth, answer all the questions. Fifth, learner will receive score and certificate. And lastly, they are done for the class. So this is the things that will appear when they click or type the link. So first of all, they need to fill in their name as example, Shantik, class, maybe Fokacha, and so on. So this is the first question, which one is the gravitational acceleration? The answer is 9.8 meter per second square. Second question is when a watermelon and an apple are dropping, both of it will hit the ground at the same time. The answer is same as AME. Third question is the velocity become 0 when the object reaches highest point. This is the answer, 0. And the last question is practically free fall motion only take place in vacuum. Yes or not? Yes. The answer is yes. So this is the scores that will appear depends on the total right answers. Right question that be answered by the learners can be either 6/8, 4/8 or 2/8 depends on them. So this is the certificate for them after they completed the quiz. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for your hard working for us for the whole semester. I hope you're doing fine. Thank you so much. Bye.